Hi, I'm Linda.
And I'm Kylie.
And this is 60 Seconds of STEM. Today, we're going to talk about ClassVR, an innovative new virtual reality solution for the classroom. And my friend Kylie is going to help me demonstrate it. ClassVR comes with self-contained headsets, so no separate phones and headsets are required. You also get access to the easy-to-use teacher portal, so you can send content to your students with the click of a button.
Oh wow, now I'm in Antarctica.
ClassVR comes with over 500 different virtual reality field trips, so your students can go from the Louvre to the ocean and even other planets. This was 60 Seconds of STEM.
And thanks for watching.